Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm tired.
Thank you.
Thank you and you.
Yes, I'm very good. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Joy.
Meko, how old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Good. Where are you from?
I don't live now.
Where do you live?
I live in the egg.
Yes, okay. What animals do you like?
I like dog.
Dogs, okay. How many people are there in your family? 4 or 5?
Dad,
5, yes. Who are they?
mommy,
Mommy.
daddy,
Good.
teacher, grandpa, and me.
Okay, 5, right? Now, are you ready for your speaking test?
Yes.
Yes. Now let's talk about food and drinks. So tell me, what do you want?
I want me.
Oh, meat or cheese?
Me.
Cheese. Good. One more time. What do you want? I want
I want tea.
cheese. Good. What do you want?
I want bread.
Bread. What do you want?
I want meat.
Meat. What do you want?
I like to do.
Very good. What do you want?
I like vegetable.
Vegetable. What do you want?
I like
Cake.
cake.
Cake. What do you want?
I want salad.
Salad. Good. What do you want?
I cooking.
Ice cream. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good. What do you want?
I want milk.
Milk. Good. What do you want?
I want food.
I want juice.
I want food.
Juice. Good. What do you want?
I want jelly.
Do you like jelly?
Yes, I do.
Okay. What do you want?
Coffee.
Coffee. Do you like coffee?
No, I don't.
Good job. What do you want?
I want water.
Water. What do you want?
I want
Yogurt. Yogurt. Very good. Now tell me, do you like vegetables?
No, I don't.
Do you like cheese?
Yes, I do.
Okay, great job. And we talk about feelings. Now, tell me, how are you?
I'm happy.
Good job. How are you?
I'm sad.
How are you?
I'm hungry.
Very good. How are you?
I'm happy.
Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Thirsty. Good job. How are you?
I'm tired.
Tired. Okay. How are you?
I'm scared.
Yes, very good. Scared. And how are you?
Sleepy.
Sleepy. Good. How are you?
I'm bored. I'm bored.
Okay. How are you?
Angry.
Angry. Yes. Okay. Very good. Now, are you hungry now? Are you hungry now?
No, I don't.
No, I am
No.
not. No, I am not. Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Good. Are you scared?
No, I am.
No, I am not.
No, I am not.
Okay, that's good. And you did a good job. That is the end of your test. Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.